Hey everyone, today we are making healthy version of Dahi Puri. Yes, the street food you certainly crave, but without the guilt.
Hello guys, who says street food can't be healthy? Today I'm making my guilt-free dahi puri, light, fresh and full of flavor. So let's jump in.
So here I have 2 boiled potatoes and 1 cup of moong dal soaked overnight going straight into the pressure cooker. Add enough water to submerge, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Close the cooker and let it cook for 2 to 3 whistles. While that's cooking, let's work on our green chutney. I have a handful of fresh coriander, some mint leaves, 4 green chilies, half inch ginger, a whole lemon squeeze. One tablespoon salt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. All this goes into my wet grinder. And well, grind it into silky green sauce. Look at that color, so fresh, so sexy. Quick shout out, I'm using my Balaji USA wet and dry grinder. Absolutely love it. You can order yours from the website in the description and use my coupon code Robby10 for 10% off. Fast, easy, little bit irresistible, just like this chutney. Now onto the sweet chutney. In a hot pan, add 1 teaspoon whole coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin seed and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Dry roast them on low flame. While they are roasting, chop about 10 dates into small pieces. In a pan, boil 1 cup water. Add the chopped date, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, and 1 tablespoon jaggery. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. So sweet and tempting, I almost wanted to lick the spoon. Once the dry roasted spices are cool, grind them into fine powder. Quick and easy. Thanks to Atul for this amazing gift. Back to the simmering sauce. Add the roasted spice powder, one teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well, simmer for 2 more minutes, then turn off the heat and let it cool. Meanwhile, let's prepare our dahi. In a big bowl, add 6 to 8 tablespoons non-fat Greek yogurt. Yes, going full healthy here. Street food can be naughty, but we are keeping it guilt-free. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon black salt, and a few ice cubes. Mix well and let the ice melt. And don't forget, we'll need some pomegranates to bring that pop of color and a little flirtiness to our dish. Now, cut the boiled potatoes into small cubes. Once the sweet chutney is cooled, blend it into smooth paste. bowl. Combine 1 cup moong dal, the potatoes, chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, and some roasted masala kala chana. You could also use bundi if you have it. Add 1 teaspoon chaat masala and mix everything very well. Now the fun part. Everything's ready. Or at least it was. The moment I finished, a few friends came over and started helping themselves. Happens every time I make pani puri or dahi puri. But that's okay. Sharing is sexy, right?
Everything's ready now. So let's complete our healthy dahi puri plate. Fresh, healthy and delicious.
The secret to perfect dahi puri is lots of dahi. Don't be shy. I'm using a little here for the video. But when you make it at home, soak each puri generously. For the puris, I got mine from Costco. Super convenient. You can also find them at any Indian store or make them from scratch if you are feeling ambitious and flirty. Time to assemble. Punch the top of each puri. Stuff it with potato and moong filling. Then overload it with dahi. Drizzle the sweet chutney. Then the green chutney. Garnish with pomegranate seed. And fresh coriander. Top it with roasted dal and sprinkle chaat masala. And just like that, it's ready. Look at this beauty. Healthy, colorful, and totally irresistible. Go ahead, have one. That's what I'm talking about. And there you have it, my friend. Healthy dahi puri, ready to gulp and make your taste buds dance.
Not bad.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so yummy.
इंडिया की याद आ गई.
सबको ट्राई करना चाहिए.
શું છે?
एकदम मस्त.
મસ્ત છે?
मस्त છે.
ટેસ્ટી છે?
टेस्टी एकदम टेस्टी.
चलिए मैं दिखा देता हूँ.
Flirty, fun, and oh so tasty. So this is all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking.